All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition from. From, to show where something originated. From. I am from England. Where are you from? She is from Scotland. They are from Spain. I think, well, she was from Iran. How cool is that? Yeah, I think she is from Mexico. How cool is that? It is from a different place. This is from this book. This book is from the bookstore. This book is from the bookstore. Yeah. I have come from Europe. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. We're from another country. I am coming to you from England. Yeah. I will be traveling from England to Mexico. From England to Mexico. Very good. They will be here from another city. From another city, yeah. I think it will be sent from London. The package will come from London. Come from London to here. From London, yeah. From, where something originated from. The light came from the sun. How cool is that? So from, where something came from. Where it originated, yeah. Now, can you use from in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come, and you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.